May I start, ma'am?
Yes, you can start.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
My topic is if there were no examination.
Okay.
If there were no examination, so children will get when children will get free and they will not study seriously because the name of examination, they are worried about study, and their parents are also worried. Mm, and without examination, I heard that in DPS school till the fourth grade they don't do they don't take the examination. Mm, so their parents are don't think about examination. I think examination is very necessary. With the examination, we look after their study, and we can get the ability of a student or any child, um, um, so that we can improve their uh, lack of any मतलब किसी कमी को मैं improve कर सकते हैं.
So they can improve any of the lack within the student.
Any of
Yes.
we can improve of the any of the lack which we can improve.
Yes.
And nowadays IMO there are many Olympiad exams held on, going on. We are not getting any prize of this examination, but yes, definitely children and parents both are able to get the knowledge of different types of examination,
Right.
and they are able to get the structure of any exam, and they are ready for competitive exam.
Yes. It's
So I think
competitive. All of you, please listen. The pronunciation is competitive. Competitive. Yes, right.
competitive
Sorry to interrupt.
examination.
Continue.
I think examination is necessary for every child. That's it, ma'am.
Excellent. Fabulous. Points were really up to the mark. Okay. We'll continue with Namita ji.
Yes, ma'am. My topic is if there were no examination. If there were no examination, students would become free from examination anxiety and examination stress, and it's a very big problem of today. And actually examination is only for check the student knowledge and progress, so that teacher can decide to whether we should promote or not. But nowadays uh, uh, pass of the examination is only goal of the education. It's not correct. It is because of examination. If there were no examination, student would pay more attention to learn
Right.
rather than getting good marks. And actually in the education field also, it is said that examination is a necessary evil. So if there were no examination, I think education system would be improved. And
Yes.
yes, we have to search any mm, other any other means for check out the student, and it may be teachers view. Actually, when teacher teacher teach the student, and he or she knew very well about her progress, about their progress. So there are many ways to check the student, and after that to promote them. So if there were no examination, it would be good for children and parents also. We heard that some students committed suicide after fail in the examination, and some students get depressed when they are not selected in any competitive exams. And
Right.
examination is not a last goal of life. And
Very good.
if there were no examination, our student learn more.
Right.
That's
Very
it from my side.
excellent. Excellent. That was flawless, I would like to mention here. Okay. Geetu ji, your turn.
Again, she left.
Okay. No problem. Namita ji, you have mentioned here rather than learning. There was a sentence in which you were mentioning rather than learning.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you were right. And if you don't want to use such word, you can mention it rather than mugging up the matter.
Rather than?
Mugging up. Ratta marna. In Hindi, we bachche
Okay,
ratta
okay.
marte hai na, that is
Yes,
mugging up.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Mugging up.
Fine, you can use
Yes,
that word.
yes, ma'am.
And you were there if he or she knew very well. So not knew because it is going to be the past tense. We're talking this paragraph particularly in the present tense, simple present tense, that too.
Yes,
If he or she knows, verb first form
yes, ma'am.
plus
Yes.
SES, because we are using he or she. Okay, great. Geetu ji, have you come back?
Yes, ma'am.
Continue.
Okay. My topic is same. If there were no examination, um, student can't take result of them free, and there's no fear, no fear of study, and they never pay attention for study. That's why examination is compulsory, and they they never get seriously, never take seriously that, and how can we find the position of every child, uh, who is able to which position.
Like
From
we want
examination
you
we
to understand that on which position the student stands. You
on
want to
which
say that?
position a student can. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
How can we find the student,
That where the graph of the
how
student lies.
yes,
Yes.
student can be stand of which position.
Yes, right.
And that's why examination is compulsory for that result. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, great. Very well spoken. Now, shall we just come to the few of the mistakes which are done by Neetaji first? Namitaji, could you please tell us?
Yes, ma'am. It's the subject is imaginary, you know. If there were no examination, so matlab need to use will.
Yes, would will be used.
Would, है ना? Because it's imaginary situation. So uh, when we talk about this, we always use would.
Yes, absolutely right.
And one at once in one sentence she said examination held, that
Yes.
examination is hold.
Yes.
Yeah, matlab,
Exam.
I
The
think
sentence.
it's
Could
better.
you please repeat? Yes. Right.
Festivalize is better.
Right. Any other thing you have noticed?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. These were the basic mistakes done by her. Now moving on to Namitaji. Neetaji, could you please tell us any of the mistakes she's done?
No, ma'am.
Except
Nothing
that
mistake.
which I have already mentioned, right?
Because
Okay.
yes, ma'am, you have already mentioned.
Yes. Geetuji, sorry, Namitaji, have you seen any of the mistake in Geetuji's performance?
Yes, ma'am. Matlab, actually, I couldn't write because I thought that some sentences are not up to the mark.
Reordered correctly.
The formation
Reordered
of sentences is not
appropriate. No problem. I know that because
appropriate.
she's
Yes,
learning
this is
and
the right
yes,
word.
reorderance of the words is somewhere she's
Yes,
lacking.
ma'am.
Yes, I
Yes,
even felt the same. Okay, no problem. So basically, when we come to the crux, I repeat this word crux because already you know the meaning. We have discussed about it. Crux, C-R-U-X. So you all have done really very well in that. Okay, it was perfectly up to the mark when it comes to basic crux. You have spoken. Great. Moving on to the next point. Hold for a second. Huh? There are few words, not exactly words. Are you people aware that what is the meaning of homonyms?
Homonyms means same meaning. Same
Yes.
meaning? No, not
No.
same meaning. Other different meaning, but the sound of same.
Yes,
Same
absolutely
sound.
right. Words similar in sound but have the different meanings. That are homonyms. So what I'll be doing today, I'll be sending you 5 or 6 words, all right, which will be having similar sound. Sound same aati hai, but they have the different meanings, right? For example, if I say affect or effect, so their sound is very similar. A, if affect, and E, effect, but they have the different meanings. So I'll be sending you in total today 5 words. Fine. So I would be expecting you to write the sentences upon it. If there are 5 words, of course, in each there would be 2 because you have the differentiate words as well. I would be expecting at least 3 sentences or 4 sentences in total. All right. So I want you to please, because unless you're not going to use the word in the sentence, you won't be able to form the sentence, right? So I'll be sharing it on WhatsApp, and it is enough for today. Tomorrow we are going to do the lecture class, that is grammar. So keep your notebooks, keep a new notebook with you because we'll be starting from the very first thing of the grammar. So either you want to make a notebook, that is your wish. If you don't want, if you have some kind of already the grammar notebook you're using from the starting, you can use that also. But from tomorrow, your lecture class will be started. Fine?
Okay.
Okay. Bye, all of you. Take care.
Bye.
Namita, especially you. It is your past, no? So take care properly.
Oh,
Okay.
yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Bye. 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 Take care.
Have a
All of you.
nice day,
Bye.
ma'am.
Same to you.